When I first saw this video of a man on a UK subway lashing out at people for being good, upstanding citizens and protecting everyone else from the threat that is COVID, I was highly offended by his toxic masculinity. And I was highly offended by how verbally abusive he was towards every other passenger on that subway.
If it's so scary for you, phone. Got a phone. You think we won 2 world wars for you lot to wear your mask? Pathetic.
And Piccadilly lines. This station.
Christ, you believe this? There is no science behind any of this. No science. It's all propaganda. Bullshit. Now, why don't you take the mask off or get in there? If you're so scared of COVID, off, go home, get out of the carriage. Yeah? If it's so scary for you, phone. Got a phone. Go 2 meters, mate. 2 meters. Stop your bullshit. Stop your 2 meters. If you believe this, keep away. 2 meters. It's but it don't seem like 2 meters to me. If you really believe this, you guys wearing these masks are leading us into slavery, into vaccine passport slavery. You are completely irresponsible for the next generation. They are going to be enslaved by this vaccine passport. You can have your own opinion. I'm not allowed my own opinion because it's censored. Anything I say is taken down off YouTube. It's not allowed on the BBC. It's not allowed on ITV. It's not allowed anywhere. It's all censored. Do not see that. Do not see that.
2 meters, mate, 2 meters. You're getting too close to me here on YouTube. I couldn't have said it any better myself. That dude just hit the nail on the fucking head. And people can say that he was being abusive. But at this point, we don't have time for talking nice to people anymore. What has been abusive is what has happened over the last 21 months. It has been abusive towards our soul and our very fucking existence. It has been an insult to our intelligence and our sovereignty as human beings. And this guy just called it out brilliantly. And you can say that this guy is being aggressive or whatever, but the fact is that he didn't touch anyone, he didn't harm anyone, didn't lay his hands on anyone, he just told them straight up. And sometimes what we need in this world is tough love. And this man delivered the tough love that all those motherfuckers on that train needed to get.